Yeah.
But having just turned 101,
So Tommy Lee,
James Lovelock is in
Tommy Lee, one of the most of the bad minds artists, entertainer me know of. I can say that now with impunity. You know, see, which is not a thing we can like a condemn. I'm gonna condemn no man, you know. And I said this without fear or favor. You know, see, I'm afraid of no boy. Yes, I. You see, one of the most of the bad minded artists me ever come across. You see, General, you see, anytime you find yourself in a position of influence, Tony Robbins said long time, you know, use it with your conscience. You see, you can't draw away and there Kingston and go on like people are idiot, boy, you know, no involvement in a war going down a flanker. You think people are idiot? Eh? You think everybody so you underestimate the intelligence a local authority or the power of gossip? I say you underestimate them thing that you think you smart enough. Or you think that's being smart when you underestimate the intelligence of your quote unquote enemy. Alright, watch out now. You see, as a man of influence, what you should have do with your attributes is use it for quell whatever vibes and violence are going on in the community, because you're supposed to love everybody in a flanker. Even more be matter of fact in a Jamaica punk. You don't see it, because you have influence right across the island and every you respect you. You don't see it. But you just look at Moby youth and you just get some money and at them time they don't choose to turn bad man. A bad man, you know, bad man and want badness. That's all when the thing where bad man want be. Yeah, and that uno gonna be. After uno already be where bad man want be. Every bad man want to get rich out. And build up him community and develop him community and cross boundaries and barriers. Because when you get rich and influential, nobody will look upon you as no player, you know, and everybody will look to you as a provider, a resource, an opportunity. You get what I say? Them things that you feel do for Montego Bay, for Jamaica. You just see it. All you should have responsible for Riding King career. And you should have find 6. All of them you that will come up after you from Mobile should have signed to you. And I know the whole of them you there, in them beginning of them things, if them never when they must struggle, them would have did sign to you if you did step out for the youth them. But you're a bad mind and you alone want up there. You see, that's why you don't intend for help nobody, you never try to help no youth. Nowhere yet. A big go around and influence people for kill one another. He's a devil. And a be a ball when people confront you. Can remember the last time Cartel confront you, a ball, you know, and every face-to-face confrontation, you know. You know, see? Suppose it's a crowd of man need stand up, you know. Ready for, you know, like what, like what Beanie Man said. You know? Right, you know, you're there jail a ball up your little self, because we know you know, you done prove yourself already, you know. You ball when you're not under no pressure, worthless now. You all lock up behind that. You know, see? Yo, I'm not telling a lie. I'm not afraid of more, I'm not really, I don't say I devil from man and already, but you, them shouldn't get straight by all you like you. One time gone all you like you have a blood clot. Take care of the corner. You know, see it? If you don't mind, if you don't want, you don't have no involvement, you don't have no say, you know, it that too. And anyway you're there, anyway you move, go reach you. Same way. You see it? I tell you, I'll know me not hear say you do nothing positive with your career from your boss till now. Be a destruction, be a crisis and destruction. You bring in another thing, youth. I'm not telling no lie. You know, see, come like a prisoner, someone that deserve for there, and if no man I wish that upon not even them worst enemy, you know. You know, see, but like I say, I don't condemn no man, because every man can build back, you know. Alright, you know, a waste man thing that. proper waste, man. No matter how much gold you have and how much money you are spending on the pocket, you know. If you don't live up the characteristic, if you don't maintain the characteristics where the standards require, when it's nothing, man. And a waste man. You see it? Now waste man, Rasta. You see it? And the wickedest thing about it, I don't know, I want to love it and appreciate it and it make you feel good. But you them want to sit through, you know. Just so you them hungry right here now, through dirty politician, through dirty corrupt politician. You them hungry and now no hopes. You know see, because the politician them they use all our bulldozer and buck down some of them seaside there out of Rosal going out to Lilliput and them way there. And concrete off, pave off some of them little roadway there. And give the youth them. Give the youth them access to some stall and them little thing where the youth them can just set up. Just concrete it and left it. My people put up them tent and put out them stall and wait and them little thing there. You're surprised to see the amount of things where the youth them do. You see it, for benefit themselves and develop themselves and that also benefit Jamaica. In turn benefit Jamaica because tourists love them thing there and they'll be attracted to them thing there. But you know, dirty politician them now in other job there to see develop, to see the people them develop. That's why all of them level of thinking and come on the forefront, because even though it will benefit them to, you know, and put more in them pocket, them can't afford to benefit get a youth. You see, so them low get a youth to depend on character and evil character like Tommy Lee them and them boy there. And then jump up and blame the youth them pan it and look and become famous so the youth them act up because what? Other poor people now depend upon only the same dirty politician for help and assistance from them same criminal element that were only create. You know see it? Because if you see evil happen and sit by and allow it happen, you know, you is also part of the problem. You're part of the reason for the evil. You know see it, and that you sit down and do. See, precare, bad man precare telling you where the gun them come from and where I carry them from. That the avenue that should lock off long time. Because I precare make you know long time, you know. You know see it. And that's why precare feel like him could have talked about it, because he just know so no and no secret. You know see it. No learn nothing. We don't learn how to make money off a cartel, no learn how to live no life. You know see, kinda like I'm not even endorse cartel end up in a prison and thing like I'm not endorse nothing like that. I'm not condemn him. I'm not see him guilty neither. I try to show you. You know see, but you know I'm not romanticize imposition. You know get what I say? But me just say from that, you should have learned after it. And know say what the boss I go through not simple. You know see? And in turn don't find yourself down the road because you know the thing go. You know see? Anything for there I take care of the man to cartel should even not spend none of your money in a prison. You know see? I found a duty that. You know see? But on the lose up the thing, because come like furthermore, I don't have no sympathy for someone, because enough get a youth, enough people who make terrorize, you know. You know see, while enough you take care of the people them, who make the people them afraid of you. You know see, if you be a positive force amongst the people them where you suffer with till you reach where you reach, instead of that, you oppress and murder the people them. Irresponsible. I say, even if you're not buying a gun, so the fact is where you say, when we know you have influence over the whole Mobile, I'm not ask that, because Yellow Man did have influence over the whole Kingston. And you're one of the first youth in a Mobile who bust out so wide where every man appreciate and respect you. Because me there Mobile and see Jaro kill Tika music. Me listen it, me there at the dance. And Tika no win still to Mobile crowd. Everything Tika could have, no matter what come out of Tika box them. As much as Tika music box are fried. Anything come out of Tika music box, a million nice people them make up. Mobile people support what for them own. You know see it? So the whole of Mobile you have influence over. You know see it? You help fuck up the part there, the island. When they should have made the youth them know for make money and live peaceful and nice. This should have been one of the most vibrant part of Jamaica. Because the scam of them and the whole of them have make money madly. You know see it's a party should have nice everything. You want even you not tell a lie. What happened? Anything where you get, man, anywhere you them, man, nah tell you a lie, man, like you deserve it, Rasta. You know see, you deserve it, man. All of uno. All of uno. Men of influence are getting themselves wind up in a them thing there. You know see, all of uno should have learned from Vibes Cartel and all of uno deserve what uno get. See? Nah, telling a lie, man, you know, corrupt and disappointing. You know see? And the wickedest thing, no say you're a coward. Me know a bad man. Me no idiot. Enough. Trust me. You understand what I say? If you think a lie, you're going to do no research. Because some of just have chat and them. You know see it. And you think no money can buy everything. More time you have some man out time up and no matter how much money you have. You can't get away. Me are telling you that you can't influence them. I just show some little. You know see it. Yeah man. More blessed man. Share, like and subscribe. Because them boy have to hear the truth.